Hello, this is the third pick and mix inspiration video. If you missed the first two, you can check back through our feeds and watch those. But this one is about getting you to have a look through the exhibition on Instagram and think about how you can connect some of those objects to objects that are important to you. Pick and Mix is a digital exhibition exploring the history of Salisbury through objects and community voices. It's a fascinating insight into the history of Salisbury through a range of objects, and there'll be new objects added every week. But the thing that will bring this exhibition alive is when members of the public start to contribute. But my favourite object from the whole exhibition is the pilgrim badge. This pilgrim badge depicts Our Lady of Tamburlaine, a tiny island off the coast of France. The badges were very popular, and pilgrim badges were made and sold at religious shrines to visitors who wanted to take home visible proof of their journey. The badge depicts the seated Virgin and Child, and the fact that it was found in the watercourses in Salisbury suggests it may have been thrown or offered up to the river. So, to get you thinking about how you might respond to the exhibition, having looked through all of the images, pick one and see if just in 10 minutes, rummaging through some drawers, opening some boxes of keepsakes, if you can find between 1 and 3 objects that connect to that. I just did that exercise upstairs, and in a jewellery box I found this. So I've never been on pilgrimage, but I have been on retreat, and that's a memento I keep from that. Family pilgrimage I thought of, places that are important to your own family. I've got loads of pictures, places you've visited a lot and that you always go back to. And I chose this last one because I think it's quite funny. So this is something that my mother-in-law actually brought back from a pilgrimage site from Santiago de Compostela. Peppa Pig gets everywhere, doesn't she? But this was a memento from there, sent back for her grandchildren. So to inspire you to go rummaging through your treasure troves at home, go to the exhibition on Instagram and see what you can connect with.